ingredients I'm going to use for the egusi soup: the grinded egusi, ram meat and chicken already boiled, stock fish. I like the fleshy part. I soaked it in water just to hydrate it. Then kpomo, diced snail. I like my snail diced. Crayfish, dry pepper, okpehe, smoked fish, seasoning cube, bitterleaf, salt, and palm oil. So let's get cooking. So I like using spoon to measure my oil because I notice that anytime I pour it directly, I usually pour more than I need. So, should be enough. Then I'm going to mix my egusi with hot water. I usually like making a paste of my egusi. Then also my okpehe with hot water. Getting hot already. I just put it inside and fry. I usually like frying my egusi. As you can see, all is left is just oil. And it's now in lumps, which I really like. This is good because it's not pasty again like that. It's now in little lumps. I'll pour my stock in it. So here I'm dissolving the okpehe. I want it dissolved because at times when you do this, you notice that there is sand under everything. So I don't just grind it and put inside the soup. I try to dissolve it, then drain it inside the soup so I don't pour sand inside. Yeah, that's very nice. So now I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I'll start with the stock fish, my diced snail, kpomo, try and put my okpehe. And I'll reduce the heat. Also, I'll put the chicken and the ram meat. The fish. Okay. And my crayfish. Then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a while. Wow, this is beautiful. And here is our egusi soup. Looking very nice, and I must say quite delicious. Nice, very nice. And we're done.